We're super excited about our latest review, and we really value our 5-star reviews, like this one. And now we are sharing it with you. This is one of our favorite reviews for providing the best service possible.
Here in Bethel Park, Gareth and his crew remodeled our kitchen. We received excellent service and top-notch craftsmanship from Bethel Park Remodeling. To put it mildly, the finished result was fantastic. Our kitchen serves as the primary focal point and establishes the tone for the entire house. We'd strongly suggest them to all of our acquaintances.
It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. We look forward to doing business with you.